If you're facing lag in Alight Motion, I'm gonna show you a few tricks that can help reduce it. First of all, lag mainly depends upon your device capabilities. The more powerful your device is, the smoother your editing experience will be. Before we get into the editing tips, here are few quick things you should do. First, don't keep too many apps running in the background while editing. Try to keep only Alight Motion open. If you're on Android, you can also do this. Go to developer option, search for graphic preferences, select Alight Motion and set it to system graphic driver. Then open Alight Motion and enable low quality preview. Then do these steps. You can turn on low preview resolution from here. It makes your playback much smoother. So, what's the main reason for lag? Lag usually happens when your project becomes too heavy, too many layers, too many effects, and too much processing. Then, what should we do? You should split your edit into multiple sub-projects. For example, I create a main project based on the length of my audio, and then I divide it into multiple sub-projects. Once each sub-project is finished, I export those sub-projects and import them back into my main project as a video. This workflow keeps each project lightweight, reduce lag, and make editing much smoother. Second tip, avoid making edits that require a lot of high-quality movie clips. Videos are much heavier to process than images for a low-end device. If possible, try editing styles that rely mostly on images instead of video. They will perform much better on low-end device. Third tip, don't use unnecessary heavy effects like motion blur while you're still editing. And if you want to use motion blur, you can add it after completing your edit. And also try not to use too many groups. Grouping lot of layers increases processing and can make your project heavy and lag even more. Don't edit in high FPS. For example, editing in 60 FPS will usually cause more lag than editing in 30 FPS. And at the end, if you have finished a heavy project and you're trying to export it and it shows something like this, don't panic. First, restart your phone, then open Alight Motion and try to export your video from here in 720p. One more tip, if you're working on a specific part, you can turn off all other layers. That's pretty much my workflow for reducing lag while editing in Alight Motion. If you have any other tricks that help reduce lag, let me know in the comment.